In today's video, we're going to show you 5 practical ways to earn money online from home. Yes, that's right. If you work smartly, you can earn up to 40,000 rupees or more every month. We'll tell you about multiple applications and platforms, but you have to choose what's best and most suitable for you. The first method is the NotesGen website. If you have handwritten notes or digital study material, then this method is perfect for you. NotesGen is a platform where students and professionals can earn money by uploading their notes. Notes for JEE, NEET, UPSC, SSC, banking, and other competitive exams are the most sought after. Apart from this, notes for engineering, management, law, and other professional courses are also very popular. You simply need to create an account on the NotesGen website and upload your study materials. Whenever a student purchases your notes, you will receive a commission. The second method is the Gig India website. Yes, Gig India is a platform where you can earn money by completing small tasks. Here, companies post small tasks and you get paid after completing them. These tasks are very simple, like downloading apps and giving reviews, providing feedback on a website, doing data entry, filling out surveys, or promoting a brand. Some tasks may require you to use social media, such as sharing a post or writing a review about a product. You can earn from 50 rupees to 500 rupees for each task. By completing tasks regularly, your income can also increase. For this, you need to first visit the Gig India website, create a profile, and select tasks based on your interest. After completing the task, you will receive an online payment. The third method is the Squad Run website. Yes, Squad Run is a well-known platform where you can earn money by completing AI-based tasks. On this platform, you get different tasks based on your interest, which are called squads. First, you need to visit the Squad Run website and create a profile. These tasks are in many categories such as data entry, content moderation, customer support, and research work. For completing each task, you earn squad coins, which you can transfer to Paytm or your bank account. The more and more efficiently you work, the more your income can increase. This platform is best for those who want to work flexible hours and earn money online smartly. The fourth method is captcha solving. If you don't have any technical skills but still want to earn money online, then captcha solving could be the best option for you. All you need to do is correctly type the captcha codes that appear on your computer or mobile. Some popular websites where you can find captcha solving jobs are 2Captcha, Kolotibablo, Mega Typers. On these websites, you get paid for every correctly solved captcha. The more and faster you type captchas, the higher your income can be. Although the income is not very high, if you work regularly, it can become a good source of side income. The fifth method is typing jobs. Yes, if you have good typing speed, you can earn good money by doing typing jobs. In this, you get tasks from different companies and clients like data entry, document typing, transcription, and content typing, in exchange for which you get paid. You can apply for these jobs on freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour. After getting work on these websites, you have to type and submit the content within a fixed time limit. If your typing speed and accuracy are good, you can earn a good income by doing more work in less time. There are some tasks in which clients pay you per word, per project, or on an hourly basis. Apart from this, many companies also offer long-term typing projects, which can make your income stable. If you build a good reputation on freelancing websites, you can get good work regularly and your earnings can gradually increase. So friends, these were 5 practical ways in which you can generate online income from home. If you found this video helpful, then please like and share it. And if you want, you can also subscribe so that you keep getting such valuable content.